Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking you around an absolutely stunning BMW M4 for Target Blu Eye, but in a completely custom way. We're going to be going through everything in a bit more detail in today's video. If you haven't seen us before, you know exactly what to do. Hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So what is Target Blu Eye? Target Blu Eye is an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys while on the road for all approaching emergency service vehicles that's marked and unmarked. Yes, it is an incredible bit of kit. What we've installed in today is a BMW M4, an absolutely stunning example of one as well. Love the carbon fiber bits that the customer's gone for on this car. What we've upgraded it with is Target Blu Eye. So in terms of the installation, what's actually involved, we actually remove the bumper completely. We've got a T30 antenna hidden away behind the bumper. Nothing's visible on this installation, which is really, really nice. Then we've got a control box routed in the vehicle, and what we've done is run a physical cable from the antenna all the way into the vehicle to the highest possible installation standards. Then what we've also done and managed to do is integrate the actual display for Target Blu Eye into the factory mirror, which looks absolutely exceptional. Performs really nicely, plus also it's like a stealth look. You can't see, there's nothing mounted on the dashboard, nothing on the windscreen. Really, really nice solution for this vehicle. Obviously it's a stunning vehicle and now the installation matches that. In terms of the solution, what we've got is basically it goes from green to red as you approach all emergency service vehicles marked and unmarked. The product is around about sort of 80 to 85% accurate. The reason for that is all in another video. We've actually posted that already live on our YouTube channel, so make sure you go check that out, and that link for that will be in the description below. But if you want to make sure you don't miss another one of our videos for other Target Blu Eye installs or any other installation that we're carrying out, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button below. But thank you very much for watching our very short video on the BMW M4 Target Blu Eye installation. But thank you very much for watching and we'll see you soon.